Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I configured my ESP32 with AWS IoT core, AWS IoT. For example, for now I'm showing you how I am controlling my built-in LED from the AWS IoT platform. So just see, just make the status 0 and I'm going to make it publish. So when I publish, you see the LED turn off. Now I'm going to make it status 1. Yeah, so this is I configured uh, uh, my device with AWS IoT, and now I'm going to show you how you can do it. And yeah, just stay connected and see the whole video. So in the last videos I showed you how you can create AWS IoT policies and how you can create AWS IoT thing, and then how you can attach policies in the AWS IoT thing, and how to download all the certificates which we will use in our ESP32 programming via Arduino IDE. So here you can see I already downloaded certificate.pem.crt, Amazon root ca.ca1.pem, and private.pm.key. So these certificates we will use in our Arduino programming. So here you can see I already wrote my program because I cannot do all these things in one video, so I just wrote, and I will give you the program in the video description. Yeah, once you upload this program, you will find uh, you just need to open the serial monitor, and you can check here AWS IoT connected and subscribed. So our ESP32 device has been configured with AWS IoT successfully. Now I am going to test and I'm going to see how is it working. Yeah, now go to mqtt test client here, this one, and topic name ESP32/subscribe, and make the status LED status 1. So once you make the LED status 1 and publish the data, you can see it is working properly. Make it 0 and publish. Yeah, so here I have showed you how you can configure your ESP32 with AWS IoT platform. So thank you very much, stay connected. I'm going to upload so many videos, so don't forget to subscribe this channel.